Welcome! Today I'm showing how to transfer application to SD card into a Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. First of all, need find your settings and go into. Then swipe on the bottom and find apps option. Click it, and now need choose your application what you want to transfer. So scroll down, maybe Brawl Stars. Click it, and here in settings of this application on the bottom we got storage, so click it, and how you can see you can change your storage use. Now I've got internal shared storage. Click to change, choose your SD card, export Brawl Stars, click move, and now wait a couple of minutes to transfer. And how you can see, go into Brawl Stars once again, storage, and how you can see storage used, it's external storage. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.